So here's a look at the 3D printed air filter cartridge and filter itself. This is all printed in PETG. So I have a standoff attached to the base. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on first, and see it lifts it off the hood. And I might as well go ahead and put the other one on. Now my screws are staying because I also have an exhaust modification. You probably won't have that, but the next step is to take the filters and set them on, and you can see they're a nice fit, and then put on the screens, and then finally the stock cap for air filter. We use that for the top, and we just screw that down. Now again, my screws are staying, so this is actually a pretty simple install for me, but you'll have to hold your screws. And one tip about doing that is that if you open the door, get tight, if you open the door, you can stick the handle inside the cab to get to these screws on the back side. So there's a look at the yellow filters installed. Now you can print the filters any color you want. I print the base and the screen black. I have white filters. I've also done some gold filters, depending on what you want to do. But that's the way you install it. Now as you tighten these down, you can see that I have these tight, but yet there's not a lot of play, but I'm not crushing the screen. So you don't have to worry about over tightening it, because you're tightening this down onto the filter, and then the filter is pressing down on the standoff, and then the standoff is pressing onto the hood, and then the screw is on the back side of the hood, so you're not going to damage the air filter. But that's how they look. And they print using no support.